Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for Windows Server 2019. First connect to Azure Portal, then click on create a resource or click on this portal menu. Then see here we have the virtual machines, or click on all services, then click on compute. See here we have the virtual machines. Okay, anyone is fine. Click on create a resource, then click on create a virtual machine, then select the subscription, then resource group. See here I have these resource groups. If you want some other, then click on create new. Okay, then virtual machine name I am giving AG Win 2019 VM. Okay, name can be anything. Then region, select the region which is near to you. Based on region, estimated monthly cost will change. Okay, so select the region which is near to you. See, once you selected, cost changed and region done. Then availability options. See here we have the availability zone, virtual machine scale set and availability set. Okay, I am going with the availability zone. Then select the zone. See here we can select up to 3 zones. Okay, I am going to select only zone 1. If you select all 3 zones, see cost is increased. Okay, so then image. See, if you are unable to find the image in this drop down list, see here we have the Windows Server 2019 data center. If you are unable to find, then click on see all images. See here Windows Server, then click on this select button, scroll down. See here we have the Windows Server 2019 data center Gen 2. Select it. See, it will populate the cost. See here, this is the estimated cost per month. Then size. See, few options are grayed out because these are not available for the selected region. So I am going to select the standard on CPU on 3.5 gigabytes. Okay, select it. And if you want to run Azure Spot Discount, you have to select the checkbox. Then we have to provide administrator account. So I am giving see, name must satisfy these conditions. Okay, then provide the password. Password must satisfy these conditions. Okay, so provide the password, confirm the same. Then inbound port rules, public inbound ports, allow ports. See, for RDP we have to select only RDP, but I am going to select HTTP and HTTPS. Then licensing, if you have existing license, you have to select the checkbox. So if you select it, cost will reduce. If you click on confirm, cost will be reduced. Okay, then click on next. See, save up to 49% with a license that you have already exist. Okay, so click on disks. Then OS disk, by default it has selected 127 gigabytes. If you select like 2 TBs, see cost is increased. Okay, based on the size, cost will change. Okay, I am going with minimal for this demo purpose. Then disk type, I am going with standard SSD. You can select whatever you want. Okay, then delete with the VM. See, if you select this option, suppose if you delete the virtual machine, this OS disk will also be deleted. It is up to you. If you don't want, you have to unselect it. Key management, I am going to platform managers key. Okay, then if you have an existing disk, click on attach an existing disk, or if you want to create and attach new disk, you have to click on here. I don't want either of them. Advanced details I don't want. Then click on networking. See, this is going to create new virtual network. Okay, subnet, this is a default one, and public IP. If you want to create new one, click on. If you don't want, select none. If you want to create, then click on create new. Here we have to provide the name image. Then we have to select these options, zone 1 or Microsoft network or internet. Okay, then click on OK. See, public IP charges are applied. Okay, then network security group, I am going with basic. Public inbound rules we have already selected, and also see here delete public IP and NIC when VM is deleted. If you delete the virtual machine, this public IP and NIC will be deleted. It is up to you. If you want to delete, unselect it. Then load balancing, see here by default it has selected none. If you want to configure, select Azure load balancer or Azure application gateway. Okay, then click on next, that is management. If you want to enable system assign managed identity, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to log in with Microsoft Enter ID, you have to click on here. And if you want to configure like auto shutdown, backup, or guest OS operating systems, if you want, you can select. Okay, I don't want, click on monitoring. If you want to set alerts, you have to click on here. I don't want, click on next, that is advanced. See here, if you want to install extensions, then click on the select an extension to install. I don't want, then custom data. If you want to provide any data, you have to provide, or if you want to provide end user data, you have to click on here and you can provide. Okay, then click on next, that is tags. Provide the name of the tag, the value. Okay, then click on, I don't have anything, then click on review and create. See, it is running final validation. See, validations passed, and see here, this is the estimated cost per hour for the selected size. Okay, see here, cost for the features or the options that we have selected. Okay, and review the settings one more time. Okay, if you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on any one of these top columns and you can edit, or you can click on back and you can edit. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on create to create the Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2019. See, deployment is in progress, and see here, these 4 resources created, and now it is creating virtual machine. See, your deployment is complete. If you go to notifications, see here, deployment is succeeded. Then click on go to resource or go to home, then click on virtual machines. See here, we have the virtual machine. Click on it, hide this. Then in the overview, see, I am in the overview tab. See here, on the top we have the connect, restart, stop, capture and delete. Okay, so in the essentials, see here, this is the resource group name, status is running, operating system is Windows, size that is 1 CPU1, 3.5 gigabytes, memory, public IP, virtual network, DNS name not configured. If you want to configure, click on here. And this is the creation time of the virtual machine. Subscription details, location or region, subscription ID, availability zone 1, and virtual machine details. See here, Windows. Okay, then this is the public IP, private IP, virtual network, size and other information. Okay, now we will connect to this virtual machine. Click on connect and select connect, and see here we have the connect and connect via Bastion. So I am going to connect by using this connect method. Or see here we have the connect, Bastion and Windows Admin Center. So click on connect. See, this is the public IP. We can copy this public IP and open MSTC, that is RDP protocol, or click on download RDP. I will show you both. And this is the username. If you forgot the password of this user, click on more options, then click on reset password or keys. Okay, so first copy this one, Windows Run, MSTSC, paste it, click on connect, then provide the username, that is AG admin. Whatever you have given, you provide it. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on OK. Click on Yes. See, we are successfully connecting to Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2019. Right click on this PC, Properties. See here we have connected to Windows Server 2019 Data Center. And see the installed memory 3.45 gigabytes. Okay, close this one. Expand this PC. Click on this PC. See, the size is 126 gigabytes. Okay, you can also verify the version by going to Windows Run, then WinVer, hit enter. See, we got the same version. Okay, let me close this one. Now log off and connect by downloading the RDP file. So Windows Run, log off, hit enter. Now click on this download RDP file. Click on keep. Open the file. Click on connect. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on OK. Click on Yes. See, we are able to connect. Okay, log off. So we have seen both the ways to connect. As I told you, if you want to reset password, click on reset password, then reset password or reset configuration only. So provide the new password and confirm the same, and we have to click on update. Okay, I'm not going to configure. Then click on overview and see here, if you want to restart, click on here. If you want to stop, you have to click on stop. And if you want to delete permanently this Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2019, you have to click on delete. Okay, so I'm not going to delete. So in this video we have seen how to create or set up Azure Virtual Machine for the Windows Server 2019. Okay, for more Azure DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.